Yo, Kingmoneyk14's vlog. I'm back. Fucking can say I'm back. I'm back. I did post, but I have videos y'all haven't watched. So if you didn't watch the videos or live, go watch it. Cause it's just like cold. So I'm gonna remake the intro. Yo, Kingmoneyk14's vlog. I can't do it with my hands because I'm holding my bike, but it's ice on the ground. So, yeah, it's cold as hell out here, but so I I'm vlogging for it because I need to get back consistent vlogging. So I'm in the cold weather for y'all to vlog. So my fingers are freezing. So I will be recording a little bit because I'm about to put my hands in my pocket. So I'm gonna catch y'all later. Hold up. Yo, I'm back. Know what I'm saying? I'm gonna stay in this back, bro, because it's way warmer. I just almost bust my butt riding that bike on this spot. It was good riding down here. Once I got right there, almost fell. I let the bike drop. It's way warmer right here. I'm not moving. I ain't gonna lie. I do gotta move though. Even though the sun beaming way over here, good over here. So today is the next day after fixing my computer so I can stream. So I'll be doing watching anime. Not the anime I didn't watch, but choosing like which anime for like we'll have like movie night on stream, and we'll set dates. Need to start scheduling when I stream. Should stream when I stream. I do got it. So I'm gonna just start every Saturday. I'm gonna be streaming every Saturday, Friday. I'll be streaming, and on Saturday I'll be watching like anime, and on Friday I'll be just like playing on my system and streaming on it. And yeah, I'm about to get consistent. So look at this, bro. I'm about to get out the snow because even though I got a lot of socks on, I don't feel nothing. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. I am a YouTuber, bro. So I did upload a video. I was asleep. I woke up like around 8, I think. Yeah, 8:30, 8:43. I'm about to I'll post. Shut up, stay in there. It's my peace place, man. So I might just chill right here, but I don't got nowhere to sit at, so I'm about to go up there. I'm about to go up there, and it's a place up there that got, you know what I'm saying? It smell like somebody cooking something on that grill, but I don't know. This how I vlog now. If y'all like how this vlog gonna be, comment, because I know it's only a little bit of people commenting, so trying to get to 300 subs. So yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all later though. I'm back. You thought we gonna fall? I ain't gonna fall. You know what I'm saying? So, I don't know. I just, you know what I'm saying? Hopefully Shawty don't touch my bike. Cause, you know what I'm saying? I'm out in the sun. I'm sitting on snow. My butt is hot. It is hot, so I'm hot a little bit because I got layers on. So, people, what the hell? Like, why is it not the shit? I'm a YouTuber, bro. So, I'm gonna be posting like once, like other week. Yo, I'm back. My phone turned off because it's super cold. So this is gonna be like, I think, the end of the video. And because I need to save my percentage, because I need to look up stuff so I can change the resolution on my computer back how it was when I first, because I had to reset my whole monitor. But I shouldn't have did that. I should have just turned like the Wi-Fi off, and then I would have been good. But so now I gotta fix everything and stuff like that. So my phone is on 10%. It's Monday, January 22nd. I don't know what time it is, but it's early in the morning. So, and I'ma just, yeah. The scenery and stuff like that. I don't know why people. I don't care if people look at me, but I ain't gonna lie. Look at me weird because I'm vlogging. Like, bro, I'm a YouTuber, so I ain't stopping. So I don't know why, but the sun hitting this way, but it's not hitting this way, bro. That's crazy. But I don't got nothing else to say, but if you're not feeling good, or it's okay to take a break, bro. Like, if you're not feeling good, it's good to take long breaks so you can feel better, which I'm not like perfect or anything. I'm not saying that I'm the best YouTuber there is, but I will be soon. So I will be soon. I will be everyone's favorite YouTuber, like other YouTubers. And I am somebody's favorite YouTuber, but I don't got like super status yet. Like, I know a few YouTubers and rappers and stuff like that, but like I'm trying to have like hella connections, like famous rappers, stuff like that. And only YouTuber I really watch is like Cassie B, Bobby Q, watch my own YouTube videos. I watch like Twitch people. I watch like sometimes. I'll follow people, support somebody, follow. If they have low views, I'll follow them before I go to sleep. I used to, but my PC monitor was messing up. So like, yeah, and stuff like that. So it's job blurry. So stuff like that. It's no outside, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I'm at the This is the end of the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and we out. Yo, I ain't gonna be on here for a little bit, but this is the end of the video, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. Peace. This is just for other intro, like an outro and stuff like that. So it's different scenery and stuff like that. So I said I was gonna end the vlog. Well, I don't know. I'm trying to make a 1 hour long vlog, I ain't gonna lie. I just got cut at certain times because I'm trying to listen to music. Well, you know what I'm saying? It's cold as hell, but I'm not gonna lie. It's just cold. I need some wood. I look black as hell, boy. But yeah, it's probably gonna be a other vlog, a separate vlog, so I can have just vlogs and shit, stuff like that. I'm back. It's getting late. Around close to some townhouses and stuff like that. I haven't been on this side. I know what I'm doing because I walked down this path when it was Halloween. So. For what? Like, you acting like y'all never seen a black person around. I ain't gonna lie. I'm at the put my pants. So I'm gonna cut the camera real quick. Kingmoneyk14's. But I'm on the train right now. Step back towards Logan. So I'm gonna get back with y'all when I get out the train. It's like now. I'm right now. Look up hotel. But I ain't making long in one time, so that's how I party. Just make a move. I can make it just 1 hour. It's the same day, but it's like January 22nd, Monday. Same day. So change and shit. Yeah, keep looking at this. Okay. Upload this. Try to pull this out. This train empty as hell, boy. Empty as fuck right now. Step back towards Logan. You know what I'm saying? My phone on 47, bro. So, I got seen my daddy. But that's recording right now, so I can have like videos just so I can just record that's post whenever I feel like it. So, yeah, I can make this a whole 5-minute, 50-minute, 10-minute video, 50-minute, 40-minute video, just talking. I'm gonna edit this shit. Really, I'm like, edit. I'm the real edit. So it's gonna be sweet. So, I'm back, you know what I'm saying? I do know. This shit not it, boy. I ain't gonna lie. Why did the elevator look like one of the things that be in the airport, bro? Let's see. Bro, I haven't been in this the cleanest I ever seen a fucking metro station.
You
bro.
said this is the cleanest look.
Only the ground dirty, bro. But this shit is sweet. Not gonna lie. Bro, I'm just recording shit. Yeah. Cause I have a post a vlog and shit. Oh God, I left my charger in the house. My shit on, I don't know, cause I'm recording. Shit. So.
That's like the same motherfucking church that. What the fuck?
Zesty ass nigga, bro.
It's your neighborhood. It's your neighborhood, bro.
This shit. And this was a nigga was running with shorts on, bro. Brother. Fuck no. Bro. Hey, bro. Hey, bro, can you? Yo, back. I've never been to Shake Shack. I've been to Shake Shack, but I never ate nothing. I ate once.
Like I said once before, bro. They can have motherfucking. Motherfucking Union Station still ain't gonna matter. Cane's is nasty shit. Without the sauce, bro. It is. It's down Union Station. Down by this.
Ain't gonna lie.
Bro, I'm not on that, bro. The only reason that they good is because of the fucking sauce. No, Cane's.
I never
That's
been.
why nobody don't like Cane's like that, bro. And without the sauce, bro, the chicken bland and shit. That shit only got
Yo, it's Kingmoneyk14's. It's the next day, January 23rd. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. It's 4 p.m. something. I decided to come outside. It's fucking square. No way. I don't know. Try something. I'm not there. I ain't gonna say. But bro, it smells like fried chicken. I ain't gonna lie. So back, ain't gonna lie. Good. I don't know what's wrong with them kids. You know what I'm saying? I might have to take some pictures. Evil. It's not even ice no more. It's watery. It's not fucking. Damn. Should I take some pictures and shit? Huh? I ain't gonna lie. I think I met somebody go back. No, I'm about to go back down. So, I'm trying to make a 1 hour long vlog. Shit. So, I'm gonna catch y'all later. Yeah. Hold on. I'm about to go back and take a picture of that Tesla. Like, picture in front of it. It's the boy. I think it's 5 something now p.m. No, it's not 5 because then it's nighttime. I'm about to take a picture in front of that Tesla. I don't know. It's been trying to pump my bike. I don't know. I'm gonna do like this. So, them birds. I don't know what's going on, but I'm gonna catch y'all later.